A wire transfer is one of the fastest and most secure ways to send funds, whether it's for a large purchase, an international payment, or simply helping out a friend in need. To start, you'll generally need to initiate a wire transfer either through your online banking portal, the Regions mobile app, or by visiting a branch in person. While online and mobile options are convenient for sending funds to previously established recipients, for your first wire transfer to a new recipient, Regions Bank often requires a visit to a branch for enhanced security. Regardless of how you initiate it, you'll need specific information about the recipient. This includes their full name, their complete physical address, and the name of their bank. Crucially, you'll also need the recipient's bank account number and their routing number, which is a 9-digit code identifying their financial institution for international transfers. You'll need the SWIFT, BIC code, and international bank identifier. Regions Bank charges fees for wire transfers as of now. Domestic wire transfers typically cost around $25. While international wire transfers are usually around $45, these fees can vary. So always confirm the current charges when you initiate the transfer. Security is paramount. Always double-check all recipient details before confirming the transfer. Regions Bank employs robust security measures, but it's your responsibility to ensure the information is accurate to prevent funds from going to the wrong place. Once initiated and confirmed, the funds are typically delivered within 1 business day for domestic transfers and 3 to 5 business days for international transfers, making Regions Bank a reliable choice for your wire transfer needs.